will graduate. Louder, say I will graduate. Somebody make some noise.
What's happening, everybody? I'm Pedro, and we are the I Will Graduate School Rockers. Now, I am the MC for all the pep rallies that you will see me on. I'm the one that directs, co-directs, along with Sanchez and all the dancers that are together and the DJ, and together we mold an incredible show that we put together.
Anybody coming out of the New York City public school system can do anything they want if they choose to put their heart, determination, blood, sweat, and tears into it. And I see a lot of potential candidates here. All right, so always believe in yourself, and you can achieve anything you want.
Our goal is to motivate everybody to be the best they can be. I love going on stage and show what I got. It's get crazy sometimes.
What's up? My name is Marcos. I'm part of the team of I Will Graduate, one of the dancers. You know what I'm saying?
Somebody make some noise!
I'm bringing you that flavor. I'm the crowd motivator. I get the kids all involved. I play those songs that everybody likes to sing and get along with. And the kids, they love the motivation that we bring to the schools. And that's what we do, the I Will Graduate team, baby.
So whether we make a connection with just one kid or with everybody that's in there in the auditorium, ultimately what we want to do is inspire and leave the message to work hard and always achieve your dreams and goals no matter what.
Here's what I need. We're going to play a quick game of trivia. Here we go. The biggest organ in the human body is correct! Let's go!
I want to thank I Will Graduate for making this experience and this day possible for our kids. It was really energetic, not just for the kids, but for the staff as well, and for myself. It was fun. Everybody came away with a smile on their face.
I was at today's pep rally and I liked it because not only are they like giving people hope to graduate and stuff, but it's always making people come closer and say like, oh, we can do this together. Like nobody's alone.
Very often we come across students who might feel defeated or like they can't do something. And for me, it's always using positive I statements and saying, I am strong, I am powerful, I am able to do anything I want in this world.
Before you are all released back to class, I want you all to shout the 10 points of power that we are pledged, that we at I Will Graduate believe in to send you back to your classes inspired to the fullest. Let me hear you say, I am determined that I will graduate from high school and college. Education is the key to my future success. I will attend school every day. I will work hard in every way. I will honor all who have shared their knowledge with me so that I can succeed. Oh, I really need this one loud and clear. I will stay out of trouble and engage in activities that support my community. Let me hear you say, I will graduate. One more, say, I will graduate. Stay in your seats. You will all be dismissed accordingly.